you wanted to replace gutters, you're gonna be around like maybe $6 to $8 per linear feet. The gutters itself are gonna cost you around like $3 per linear feet just to get them. So on a house like this, it might be like $1,000 for the gutters, and then not including the labor, and you can just double that up.
Cheaper to do replace the gutter, fix the issue, than allowing it to happen and it messes with your foundation.
She said don't replace the windows, and I completely concur with that. The cheap part, say you got a broken glass, instead of going to replace the whole window, you just take the sash out. And you could take it to a local window company, and they'll replace it for 30 bucks. They'll replace the glass for 30 bucks, reglaze it, and that also helps with the breeze coming in. You see what I'm saying? Versus going ahead and replace that window. That one vinyl window gonna cost you $170 now.
Easy.
Just one. Just for the labor. That's just for the window. That's not including the labor. The labor gonna be like $100 just to replace the window. Yeah. Not including having, if I gotta wrap the trim around it, which is aluminum flashing.
And that's $100 per window.
$100. So you're looking at around like $350 to around like $450 per window with material and labor. You see what I'm saying? Depending on who you get. You can get somebody to do it cheap for 50 bucks. But what I find when you find somebody that does it for super cheap,
they ain't gonna be done right.